Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Black Shark 5 Pro has a dual SIM slot. So in order to do this, first we'll need to locate the slot. So on this phone it's on the bottom right here. Now let's take the needle from the box, place it in this gap right here, not in this one, as this is a microphone. We need to do it on this. So let's force the needle in till the slot is open. Now let's take it out. And here we can find the SIM 2 and SIM 1. So that means this phone has a dual SIM slot. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.